Order filled.
Here's how this trade played out using ICT concepts. Yo, what's up? I am T. I'm behind TMATradez. Let's get into this trade from yesterday using gold during Asia session. So starting off on the 15-minute time frame, we had a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, and as long as we're staying below crunchment encroachment of this fair value gap, price is indicating that we're going to be selling. We can have all the wicks in the world, but as long as we don't have a body closure above crunchment encroachment, our directional bias is most likely to happen. So dropping down to a 5-minute time frame, I marked out draws of liquidity to try to catch when price was going to start selling. I marked out this high as buy side liquidity, and I also marked out midpoint of this wick for a draw of liquidity, trying to stay below crunchment encroachment. So let's drop down to a 1 minute. So on the 1 minute, we have, let's zoom in, 1 minute bearish fair value gap, and I was using this to see if price will use crunchment encroachment as resistance once it came back and filled. Now, we did have some candle closes and a little bit of consolidation at crunchment encroachment on the 1 minute, but I didn't panic when I saw these candle closures above crunchment encroachment on the 1 minute, because even if I lost this trade, you can always go back in with a re-entry with a smaller risk, or you just call it a night and go on about your day. But when I did see these candle closures above crunchment encroachment, I just went up to a higher time frame. So I went back up to the 15-minute time frame. The higher time frames always give you the bigger picture of what's going on. And on a higher time frame, we had resistance at crunchment encroachment. As we can see, we wick. We didn't have a full body closure above crunchment encroachment. So that just tells me that my directional bias is correct. So that's why I didn't panic. So getting into entry, I entered on the 1 minute. Since I already anticipate price going lower, I went in with 2 contracts for gold and had TP down here just about at this triple bottom. Because I'm on delayed data, I could not see price where it was current. So when I did enter trying to take partials, it took me immediately out. So when I did see that, it was like, oh, order filled. I was like, dang, that quick. Price was already down here by the time I placed those buy limits. So yeah, this is my P&L from 17. I got 1,500 from this trade, lost 100 because I did not know I already had a fill. As long as we got small risk and big reward, that's all that matters. This is what you want to see. And yeah, that's going to wrap up this trade recap. Follow to see my trading journey and paper to fund it. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.